So what's up people, my name is Bhaskar and today's topic is HTML syntax. So in this video we are going to discuss about the syntax of HTML, how you will write a HTML document and in which flow the data will flow and in which flow you will mention things inside it, the by default tags and by default meta tags and by default structure, what is it. So this is my code editor. I'm using Atom code editor and I've already opened our html.html file in our code editor, and the same page is open here in Google Chrome to display the results. So let us discuss about the HTML syntax. So there we go. First of all, the doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. So now whenever we will start coding, first of all we will have to declare or define the document type. Which type of document is this going to be? So the way you will define the HTML file document here is doc type and then HTML. This is the document type declaration. So now you are declaring that the whole document is going to be a HTML file document. So the next part is HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. Yes. So whatever you are going to write related to HTML is going to be between these tags. This is HTML opening tag and this is HTML closing tag, and the content will be the whole HTML document. Whatever you want to write about HTML, you will have to write between these tags. So this HTML element is the key element of HTML document. Then the next part, the head element contains meta information about the HTML page. So what are meta information? First of all, we are going to define head. So meta information is like the meta data is which contains the information of the data which you are going to write inside this HTML document, like the language it supports, the English language, the direction it supports, left to right, or you want to flow the data in right to left direction. Urdu language, when we write in Urdu language we go from right to left, and when we write English or Hindi and other language we go from left to right. So the direction also is the metadata. And then the character set, what special symbols you are going to use, what special characters you are going to use, and what alphabet and numeric you are going to use. That whole character set is also the metadata of the HTML document. So that part will also uh, go in between the head part, the title of the web page obviously. uh, for example, I'm giving the title web page. So when you will refresh, you will see the title of the web page here. Okay, so this is also the metadata of your website, and the character set and other things like um, see, whenever I'm going to write HTML in this code editor, we have already saved this document with .html extension. So this code editor already knows that this document is a HTML type document, and whenever we will type HTML here and press enter, it will give you the whole template by default. So the document declaration you can see here, the key element you can see here, the HTML tag, and it is closed here. See, so the whole thing you have written here is between this HTML element, and then the head part which contains the metadata of the data whatever you are going to write in this web HTML document, as well as the title. So this attribute shows that the language this document is going to be is in English, and the direction you can see LTR means left to right. Whenever you are going to write anything in this HTML document, the content will be displayed in direction from left to right, the way we write English language in our paper. So this is all about the metadata. And yes, the character set UTF-8. Okay, so it consists whole the characters you are going to use, whole the alphabets, numerics, the special symbols like hashtag and at the rate and commas and braces, everything is mentioned already inside this UTF-8, and we are going to use UTF-8 in HTML5 document. It doesn't matter whether you define this or not, because the documentation declaration already defines that this is going to be HTML5 document, and HTML5 document by default use this character set UTF-8. Either you define it or not, it will automatically adjust the things accordingly. Okay, so this is the title part, which also goes inside the head part and the body part. So in title you can write the name of the your website, you can give the title of your website, and which will be displayed over here. So we have covered title part, then body. So body is the most important part in the syntax, because it is the container of whatever you are going to write inside HTML document and display on your web page. So body part will be the container. So it is a container for all the visible content such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. So for example, if you want to type plain text here, hello there, you will need to define it in body part. So you will refresh it and you will see the data here. Then if you want to mention heading h1, so the h1 element will also go inside the body part, and it will display here in the web page like this. So if you want to give paragraph, if you want to display images, list, tables, audio, video, whatever you are going to display in your website, the whole thing will go inside this body part. So this is the basic syntax. For time being, you can clear this part. This is not mandatory because we are just doing simple example in HTML. Oh, you can skip the whole part, metadata. Okay, so this is the main first thing, the HTML key element. Then after, there are two parts, one is head part and other is body part. Head part will contain all the data about this document, and the body part will contain all the displayable data on of your web page. So in head part, the web page title you can give over between the title tag, and this body part will contain all the displayable content of your web browser. So I hope this is clear to you, and that's it for guys. This is about the syntax of HTML. We will see you in the next video. We will discuss about some tags and some basic tags, and like I've shown you the heading element here. So there are many types of headings, and we will discuss about headings and few other tags. Till then, bye bye and take care. Please keep surfing, please keep searching, and keep learning.